my name's Allison. I'm from Stauffers and Kissel Garden Centers, and today we're talking about ornamental grasses. Ornamental grasses are one of the easiest care things that you can plant in your landscape. They come in all sizes, shapes, colors, and textures, and they're very disease resistant and pest resistant, and they couldn't be much easier to grow. There are a few different varieties of the grasses that we have. As I said, they come in all sorts of shapes and sizes. If you're looking for a tall grass, this is a pampas grass right here. This will get about 10 to 12 feet tall. If you need some big screening or a big specimen plant or showpiece plant in your landscape. If you want a grass that's narrow, this is a feather reed grass. It could go in just a small area that you have, just to give you some height and some texture. If you want a big, billowy, bushy grass with fuzzy plumes, here's a maiden grass that might work for you. Generally, grasses will grow in full sun, and they'll do the best in full sun, but if you have an area with a little bit of shade, the blue-tinged or the gold-colored grasses will do well in those areas too, and some will stay small. So if you only have 12 to 18 inches, there's grasses for you for that area as well. As far as pruning your grasses, they need to be cut off a few inches above the ground before the new growing season begins. You can do that in the fall, or you can do it in the spring. It's up to you. Doesn't matter to the grass, just depends on when you want to do your work. You just pull your grass together, get some hand pruners, and go through and cut it off just a few inches above. In the springtime, it'll push back out, and it'll look like brand new. Thank you for watching. If you have any other questions, stop into any of our garden centers and we'll be happy to help you be successful.